Everybody makes mistake. I make mistake. You make mistake. David Gilmour makes mistake. Eric Clapton makes mistake. Jimmy Page makes mistake. Steve Vai makes mistake. Everybody you know, everybody you think of. But the difference between these guys and us guys is that they know how to cover up their mistakes. I am Wahid from the Box Music Band, and I am gonna help you to cover up your guitar playing mistakes. Just play the intro. Covering up your playing mistakes has 5 stages, and the very first one is to admit. If you don't accept that you made a mistake, then how could you just cover it up? Remember, everybody knows it. Your bandmates knows it. Your audiences knows it. Your father knows it. Your wife knows it. Everybody. So, just admit it. You just made a mistake. 2. Be cool about it. Don't panic. You didn't kill anybody. You just played the wrong note or a bunch of. Anyway, just be cool. We need you to be confident because we are going to cover up your shit. 3. Be fast. Imagine you're walking from the kitchen to your bedroom with an ice cream in your hand. Suddenly, you drop some on the Persian carpet laying on the floor. If you notice you mess soon enough, you'll be able to clear it before your mom or your wife comes home. Yes, everybody will find out the mistake you made, but you must be the first one. If you be late, you won't be able to cover it up in a proper time. 4. Pretend you have done it by purpose. Yeah, I've made a mistake, but I have done it consciously. Sell your mistakes to your listeners, but before that, you have to decorate it in a beautiful way. Otherwise, nobody's gonna buy it. Covering up the mess. A. Sliding. Most of the time, you're just half a step up or half a step down to the proper note. So, simply slide your finger back on the right note. Just remember, you have to be fast. B. Bending. If the wrong pitch is lower, instead of sliding your finger, you can bend the note up to the right pitch. Sometimes your bending is not right. Either you have bent too much or you haven't bent the note enough. All you need to do is bend it more or bend it back while you divide the note into shorter ones. C. Chromatic Approach. This method works when the chord progression resolves back home, but you're lost somewhere in the back alley.
There's no place like home.
Oh shit, here we go again. Worst place in the world.
In such situations, Chromatic Approach works as a GPS navigator. Just move to the right note half a step by half a step and you're good and jazzy. D. Make more mess. Sometimes you need to make more mess to cover up your mistakes. showing the audience that there has been a mess going on and your mistake was just a tiny little drop in the ocean. I hope these 5 steps would help you to cover up your guitar playing mistakes. Please take time and visit our YouTube channel and press the subscribe button and the bell beside it, and I will promise to make more videos like this one.